and welcome from Tech Tips. Today I have my Mi Band 7 Pro, a standard band, but over time, usually everyone have this experience. It's broken. Yeah, and after a couple of years use, maybe like me, it's 1 year, about 1 year. You actually maybe forgot how to change it, but it's actually simply. First step is get a new one. Yeah, I got a new one from AliExpress. Link on the description. You can have a look on that. And yeah, it's a standard band. Just take it off once you have it in your hand. That means just quick unboxing. Yeah, you already see what is inside. That means brilliant unboxing with big surprise. As you can see, you got the two clips over here, which is actually for the pin is holding, and I can set this one is really good quality as well. It's not original as well as some from the AliExpress before, but yeah, actually the original one it's lasts me maybe 6 months. That means this one has been good. Okay, as you can see, you have a button here which you can just push it with finger, and after that you slide off. But because it's so long and not take it off, see there is a dirt over here. That's why it's maybe sometimes stuck. Just be sure you push the button. Yeah, push the button, and yeah. Okay, now we can clean this. Brush. Just give a proper clean, because the new one, if it's there is any dirt, can be stuck somewhere and not holding properly. Just be sure you clean properly with brush or something you have at home. Okay, and once you are happy with cleaning, which I am, you can use actually some isopropyl alcohol or stuff like that to clean. Maybe it looks much better, but yeah, I'm happy with this. I'm alright. Take your new strap and just actually click in. Yeah, you hear that click. If not, you got a second chance to hear it. It means just look. Just put on the position and just clip in. Okay, and now it's hold perfectly well with new band, ready to go my exercise again. And yeah, okay, new strap is on my head, and it's an early morning. Let's go do something. Don't forget, click like, subscribe, and stay tuned on my channel.